Cucumber Raita. When you say Cucumber Raita, something different to the normal preparation. Actually, the cucumber we do as a salad. Now there the raita I have done. So there is a difference. Come, we will all join together and prepare this cucumber raita so that you will enjoy preparing and then you will say it's so delicious. Come, join with me so that we can have something really nice. What I am going to do now is the cucumber. It's a normal cucumber. You have to use it here. About cucumber, I have to tell you. Normally, when we make salads, we don't use cucumber. We use the gherkin, not the cucumber. You know why? Cucumber, if you use, what happens is it digests after 5 hours only. So, it's a little difficult for us to use it. But here, I am going to use as a raita. So, for that what I did was, I removed the skin and grated that, squeezed the water away and kept it. So, you can see how the cucumber looks now. Grate the cucumber, long strips, I grated it. After grating it, I squeezed the water away and had it, so that it will be nice to make the raita. It's a different type of preparation that I am going to do here. 1.5 cups of curd I have taken. You beat it nicely. Beat the curd well. Right. After taking the curd, I am going to add a little salt, pepper. Pepper also I use it. A bit of turmeric I'm using here. And then coriander powder. I need the coriander powder also. Chili powder also, half a teaspoon. You can use half a teaspoon or a little more even. It doesn't matter because you know it depends on each person making it to their palate, their taste and all the rest of it. I'm going to take the onions and crush it. As you crush, you get the flavor of it. Can you see? Crush and use it. Green chilies, finely chopped. Onions also finely chopped. A little garlic also we can use into this. Garlic also I used. Okay. So, all that you put and mix it well. I kept this to show you. Coriander leaves I have taken. Finely chopped coriander leaves. To show that this is coriander leaves section which I am using it. Mint leaves, finely chopped mint leaves. Then I am going to use the cucumber. I told you cucumber is not supposed to eat in a salad. Gherkin is good, but not cucumber. Cucumber you can cook. There are different ways of cooking cucumber. You can cook and eat, but not raw into the salad. Now here I have grated, squeezed out, so then no problem. Now I have these two, that is red pepper and yellow pepper. If you like, use, otherwise please omit it. It's not necessary. It's not necessary for us to use it, but if you like, you can use it. This raita is going to be something different for all of us, because when we use, there will be somebody saying, this is not the way to do. No, it is my way of doing. If I say my way of doing, you are going to taste it. And those who have tasted my way of doing, they always say, oh, it has a better taste. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to dish it out. No cooking in this. The raita is not cooked. Now see, onions, what did I do? Onions, I crushed it, and all this I crushed. So, And this raita, when you see how it looks, right, for what we can do. Yellow rice, if you're having yellow rice, you can have it, and you can have it with biryani or whatever you want. You can use this type of preparation. You saw how I did the raita, isn't it? Cucumber raita that I did. So you can always use this type of preparation on a biryani, yellow rice, even with white rice. This raita alone is nice because something different to the normal preparation, so you can have it. Not only that, with rotis or anything that you want, you can have. You can even take a bun, cut into two and put the raita in the middle, and you can have it. It's so delicious, I would say. So try out and see how it comes, because these are the things that we have to learn to do so that it's a quick and easy way of doing. So try it and see how it comes, and you will enjoy the preparation, and then quick and easy way also. I hope you will enjoy. And next episode, you don't know what I'm going to do. Watch, I will do something different and you will enjoy that recipe also. Till then, bye from me now.